performance. But before he earns the rank of Vindicator, he'll have to survive the Battledome's deadliest challenges yet, and then take on the Eviscerator! It's time for the weapon cycling round. This time, Juanita and I will choose which weapons Ratchet can use from moment to moment. Are you ready, Juanita? You folks at home can dial the number at the base of the screen now to vote for your favorite weapon. Here comes the audience choice weapon in 3, 2, 1. There it is!
Oh, come on! Will somebody just kill this little runt already?
Folks, I hope everybody's pee-pee because we're not breaking for commercial anytime soon. Let's see how he does with this. Try this one on for size, you filthy longlegs. Team Darkstar must dodge a massive bomb drop from a fleet of dreadnoughts? What psychos thought this challenge up? What's that? Reactor and shell shock? I didn't even know they were friends. Say, did they used to carpool? Sorry. Oh, right, yes, let's go to the action! Is impressed. Interesting fact, folks, Red Zone started out with 2 guys fighting over a breakfast burrito, and the rest is history.